Hello friends, today we are going to learn a new topic in science, gravitation. Now what is gravitation is known to you. When any object is thrown in a space, it returns to the ground. Why is it so happen? It is because Earth attracts that object to itself, or Earth attract any object to itself. This force of attraction of Earth on any object, force of attraction of Earth on any object to itself is called gravitation. So what is gravitation? Gravitation is a force of attraction by Earth on any object. Or in general, Earth is one of the planet. Each and every planet has gravitation. So we are the citizens of Earth, so we call the force of attraction of Earth on any object to itself is called gravitation. Now we'll see new concept, circular motion. What is circular motion? Motion of the object along the circle is called circular motion. Now look at here, the stone is an object. It is tied by a thread, and in this way, if we reel this stone, then it performs circular motion. So motion of this stone along this circular path is called circular motion. What is circular motion? Motion of a particle or any object along the circumference of a circle or along the circle is called circular motion. Now, why the object performs circular motion is a question. You can understand here, a thread is tied to one of the finger and a stone, and it is reeled. The thread which is kept bind to that stone, so the stone revolve in a circular manner. If there is no thread, what will happen? The stone will go straight, because natural tendency of any object is to go straight. But it is because the thread is tied to the figure by thread, it performs circular motion. Now, in circular motion, there is a force acting on that object called centripetal force. Centripetal force. What is a centripetal force? Force acting on an object performing circular motion and is directed to the center of the circle is called centripetal force. Look at here. In this case, a stone performs circular motion. To perform circular motion, a force is acting on this stone or on this object, and this force which act on the object in circular motion, and it is directed towards the center, is called centripetal force. What is centripetal force? Force acting on the particle performing circular motion, which is directed to the center of the circle, is called centripetal force. Thank you.